Manitative Gabriel, choose social science, history chapter as our country. Important points. Kashatmans, image location catcher, a tropical country. Total geographical area 32,87,263 kilometers. Latitudinal extent 6 degree 4 north to 37 degree 6 north. Longitudinal extent 68 degree 7 east to 97 degree 25 east. North-south extent 3,214 kilometers. East-west extent 2,933 kilometers. Land frontiers 15,200 kilometers. Coastline 7,516 kilometers. Standard meridian 82.5 degree east longitude. Southernmost point Indian point 6 degree 4 north. Southern tip of mainland Kanyakumari 8 degree 4 north. Number of states 28. Number of union territories 9. The largest state in area Rajasthan. The smallest state in area Goa. These are the important points of the country which belongs to us. Please note these points and write on your books, which will help you in your exam. Thanks.